happening? Traffic jam again. Alright, we're coming to back to Soi 11 now. Let me get through here. Please let me get through here. Let's walk down here. Thank you. Hillary 3. Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Sneak down Soi 7 and see what we can find down here tonight. Never been down this Soi before, but it looks new. I think it is anyway. A few people out. Plenty of ladies, but not many customers by the looks of it. Not 100% sure. Oh, eh? It's all happening. Might end it there, I think. Anyway, not a bad looking place. I'll pause it here and I'll continue on down because there's nothing else further down. Probably see us at Soi 11 somewhere. Alright peeps, I'm back. There was nothing else down that Soi, so we're going to head down Soi 11 instead. See what's going on down here. As per usual, got to cross the crazy road. Hopefully get across. Bloody hell, bloody hell, bloody hell. And I'm through. Alright, here we go. Hello? No, thank you. Soi 11. What have we got down here tonight? That is for sure. Let's see what we got. How's Finch going tonight? Pretty quiet, yeah. She's quiet. And no one there. Entrance looks awesome. Probably pricey as though I would say. Yeah. Crikey, traffic jam again. Try and get past here. There we go, we're through again. Holy moly. Passing Burger King. A few people in there. All the Westerners. Wine Connection on the right. A few people enjoying a red, which I don't mind myself.
To alcohol, the cause of and solution to all of life's problems.
Serious hangovers on that shit, that's for sure. Well, where are we now? Nice lighting. That's for sure. What is this place? Fresh fish in there. Ambassador Hotel. Got the funny vans over here. Oh, geez, have a whiff of that. Another funny van here. Another one here. The old German beer house. There on the right. Right next door to Hemingway. A few people in there tonight. It's going off. Come on, keep it moving, peeps. Let's get through here. Oh, what a move. On the outside. What's this? Bawachi Indian restaurants. Just walking. I can't get through here. Come on, let me get through here. Please let me get through here. Outside the Mercure Hotel, opposite that you've got Hillary 3. A few people in there tonight. Get through here. The Sukhumvit. I was going to stay there once, but you can't use their pool or gym or nothing unless you're there for more than 30 days. You stick that up there, you know what? I tried everywhere, even they're on their own website. You cannot use their pool or facilities unless you are there for 30 days. No thanks. There's the A-loft. Chez Hélène. French cafe and eatery. Looks alright. This is the other end of Soi 11. Now I've talked about this before, these Bang Bang burgers. Very nice. A little bit pricey, but bloody nice. Chips are good, burgers are good, suvas are good. Quite a few people in there. And you've got the coffee club. Let's walk down here. Let's see if we can get across. Jesus. Yep, we're through. Moon Restaurant. No, thank you. Can't go down here. Live music, that's alright. Welcome our Big B's restaurant and pool bar. Looks alright. Laundry. Tuk-tuks everywhere. Golden giraffe. Looks alright, looks pretty posh. Plain Pioneers. Go back the other way, I think. Yeah. Alright, go back this way. Let's go up the other end. We'll do another lap further around. It's going to be a long video, this one. Oh well, better for you guys anyway. Remember to hit the thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up. Leave a comment, because that's what matters. And what also matters is that you actually enjoy the videos. Hopefully you do. If you don't, sorry. I'm trying my best. Outside the coffee club. Going back around here now. Back up to Soi 11. It's live music, that should be fine. For YouTube. Thai Korean food. Past here. Up. Handy Club and Bobo. Well, not Andy. Handy Club X Bobo. Little kids playing there. Plenty of food options through here. Plenty of food options. Not much going on over this side, so I'll pan the camera over to the other side until a bit more life comes over this side, I suppose. Get through here and then might brighten up a bit. What's this joint called? Across the street here. It's nice open looking place. Not quite sure, but it looks alright. Tony's looks good. A few people here. I don't know what's that? Mercure Hotel. Oh, how am I going to get through here? Oh, here we go. Get through. Thank you. Hillary 3. Live band going on there. Oh, mate, don't stop on the footpath. Oh, music playing. Can't have the music playing. I've got to speak over. I've got to speak over. La 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 la. Yeah, it was a good song back in the day. Wind of change. Hemingway, packed to the brim. This pizza joint. Oh, it's the old beer house. Look like a pizza joint from the side.
Great. What the fuck? ช่วยเหลือมันจะหางาน
Oh, power point there. Power cable, I mean. That looks nice lit up, doesn't it? Outside the Ambassador Hotel, that. It's very nice. Just going past the wine connection again. So we're about 3/4 up the street now. Not a lot happening, but I'll do what I can do. There's not much happening, can't do much about it. Suppose I've got to find other streets. So that guy's just having a piss on the side of the road there, man. Bloody hell, hope that didn't get that on camera. Burger King and Taco Bell, dead as a doornail. Typical Western bloody restaurants. Cross over here if I can. See if I can sneak through. Alright, here I go. That was easy. Back on the other side, there's more stuff on this side.
Hello, sir, Indian food.
Plenty of currency exchanges. Tell you, I've been to a few currency exchanges the last couple of days, probably the last 5 days. And the one on Soi 8 on the corner, D Money or something, has always had the better rate for Australian dollar anyway. It's just way better than any of these other small places. Yeah, you have to show your passport or your license. That's good enough, that always works. But yeah, it's a way better rate. Just a little tip for you. Shop around. I mean, they chop and change all the time, but it was worth it. Especially if you're changing $1,000 or something, you know, you're going to get way more. Alright, we're coming to back to Soi 11 now. That'll do for this video, I think. I need a Leo anyway. I've seen a few YouTubers filmed in this alleyway, nothing too special, but it's not bad. Alright, back on the main Sukhumvit, guys. Thanks heaps for watching. No, thanks, mate. Back on the Sukhumvit. That's the one I was talking about before, D Money over there. That's a good exchange. Just opposite Soi 11. I think it's on the corner of Soi 8 and Sukhumvit. Good exchange rate. Alright, anyway guys, have a good night. Thanks for watching. See you next time.